Welcome back to another RMS Support Center tutorial video. Today's topic will be covering the Quality Assurance module. There can be 3 different QA report formats, such as military, civil, and dredging. To create a daily report, let's first enter into our contract. Now, let's click on the QA/QC tab on the contract menu. Then, click on the blue tile that says QA Daily Reports. To create a new QA report, simply click the Add button in the left-hand corner. RMS will automatically choose today's date. We have 8 different main parts for our QA report. We'll go through each one systematically. The first tab is our Weather tab. Here we can enter in any data. If there's any conflicts or disagreements with the QA and QC weather, it'll be noted in the weather delays by the monthly module. At the top, we can set what our QA weather will be. Down below, we have text fields for information relating to our weather. The next tab, the QA Narrative tab. On this tab, we can enter in any narratives for our report. When we click the Add button, we have 2 options. We can manually add a QA narrative, or we could copy narratives from the previous report. Our next tab is our Deficiencies tab. Here are the contractor deficiencies that can be added and tracked until they are completed. You can add, copy, edit, or delete any of these deficiencies for your QA report. The next tab is the QA Tests. The QA Tests tab can be used to add any quality assurance checks that you would like to add for your QA report. Just make sure that each description of the QA test is very descriptive. The next tab is our QA Final Follow-ups tab. This tab is used after our contract marks a DFOW completed. Here you can rate the activities that are linked to that DFOW. The next tab, we have our labor interviews. On this tab, we can add any labor interviews to our quality assurance report. The very last tab that we have is the Mishap Reporting. This tab is used to report accidents and also if the accidents are reportable. Here you can add, edit, or delete any mishap. If we edit this mishap, we can see that we have a section where we can add our safety report by using the document package section. Lastly, at the bottom, we have our section for our document package. At the very bottom, we have these 2 checkboxes where we have one to mark the report completed and one to mark the report not required. If the QA is not on site, then you can mark this box not required. However, if the QA was on site, then a report should be completed for each visit. To complete a report, after all the data is completed on each tab and all supporting documents have been added, simply mark the checkbox down at the bottom, Report Completed. Now we see our document package is created. And if we look inside our document package, we can see our QA daily report has automatically been added to this particular package. We can sign our document by clicking the Sign Select Document buttons at the top, selecting the QA report, clicking Next, then verify that the digital signature position says QA Representative. Finally, click the Finish button and enter in your PIN. Once when you've finished your document package, make sure to click the Complete Package down at the bottom.